Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-G85 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working, or if it's not connecting to something, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is, there's a ton of settings on here and we can change them manually, but if you'd rather just wipe them all off and just get everything back to the way this was when it came out of the box, we can do this, and it's super simple to do. All we need to do is, with the camera on, we're going to come and hit this menu set button right here to open the menu. From that menu open the menu on the screen. Once the menu opens on the screen, you'll just hit the setup wrench icon submenu, setup wrench icon, and from the setup wrench icon, then you'll just hit reset. That's all there is to it. Menu, setup wrench icon submenu, reset, and then that'll prompt you and you can set everything back up to the factory default settings.